Class in charge and my dear friend, first of all I say very great morning to all of you.
Very great morning, Anshul.
My name is Anshul from class 9th standard. Today I am here to give description on the topic of coronavirus. So friends, coronavirus is a large family of viruses which cause illness in animals or humans. In humans, several coronaviruses are known to cause respiratory infections ranging from the common cold to more several diseases. Coronavirus means COVID-19. O stand for corona, VI stand for virus, D stand for disease, and 19 means this disease came in year 2019. It was first reported in Wuhan city in China. It is an infectious disease caused by SARS-CoV-2. Nowadays, COVID-19 is spread all over the world, and it is a type of common virus that is making people sick with an illness. People who get sick may have fever, cold, or throat paining, or they are feeling like they have a hard time breathing. The doctors and scientists are still learning about COVID-19. The government of India under Prime Minister Narendra Modi ordered the national-wide lockdown for 21 days on 24 March 2020 evening. The lockdown was ordered because the number of confirmed positive coronavirus cases in India were approximately 500. During lockdown, the students' schools were closed 1 year, and the students' education is greatly affected by the coronavirus. And during lockdown, some students take the education in a positive way, and some of them take in a negative way. The students who take it in a positive way use the time in a judicious way and maintain their study routine. And the students who take it in a negative way misuse the time and forget that thing also that he or she know earlier. During lockdown, some people lost their jobs also. The people who earn daily wages, they were sitting free at their houses. COVID-19 do not affect our health, but it also affect our future also. Some people died due to coronavirus. Why? Because they did not get special treatment, and some people are sick because they get treatment at the correct time. So friends, can we save from coronavirus? Yes, we can save from COVID-19. For this, we have to follow some rule and regulations. We should wash our hands properly with soap or sanitizer. We should wear mask properly and maintain 6 feet distance from other people who get sick from the coronavirus, because this disease spread through the direct contact with other people. So friends, at last I want to say that 2 गज की दूरी मास्क है जरूरी, 2 गज की दूरी मास्क है जरूरी. Thank you and have a nice day.